Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of beet juice. Yes, that humble root vegetable can transform your body in ways you might never have imagined. Get ready for an exciting journey through the 9 incredible changes your body undergoes when you start drinking beet juice daily. Stick around until the end. You won't want to miss the surprises we have in store. Feeling sluggish? Beet juice might be your new best friend. Packed with nitrates, it enhances blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, giving you a natural energy boost. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to longer, more intense workouts. High blood pressure? No problem. The nitrates in beet juice convert to nitric oxide in your body, relaxing and dilating blood vessels. This helps to lower blood pressure, reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Want to boost your brain power? Beet juice increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of dementia. Get ready to think sharper and feel more focused. Struggling with digestion? Beet juice is high in fiber and betaine, which help improve gut health, prevent constipation, and support a healthy digestive system. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body. Give it a helping hand with beet juice. Rich in antioxidants and betaine, it supports liver function and helps flush out toxins. Looking to shed some pounds? Beet juice is low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full longer and supporting healthy weight loss. Inflammation be gone. The betalains in beet juice have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation and pain. Athletes, listen up. Beet juice can significantly improve your performance. Studies show it increases oxygen utilization and endurance, making you a force to be reckoned with on the field or in the gym. Want radiant, glowing skin? The antioxidants in beet juice combat free radicals, promoting clearer, healthier skin. Say hello to a fresh, youthful complexion. And there you have it. 9 incredible changes your body undergoes when you start drinking beet juice. From boosting your energy to giving you glowing skin, this powerhouse drink is a game changer. Ready to transform your health? Grab a glass of beet juice and start your journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and exciting transformations. Cheers to your health!